SMK Helmets.
Visor mechanism replacement. Open the visor fully first. Then push the visor opening lever backward and the visor will come out from its slot. Repeat the same process for the other side. The visor will come out completely from its place. Now, please open all screws as shown in the video. Your visor mechanism will come out. To fix it back, put the visor mechanism back in its place, and tighten all the screws. Fit the visor in its slot as shown in the video. Check your visor by pulling it up and pushing it down to its place. Top vent cover replacement. To change the top vent cover, pull it up. The top vent cover will come out. Now to fix it back, it needs to be fixed firmly in the holes provided on the helmet. The top vent cover is now ready to be used. Rear vent replacement. Pull out the rear vents from its slots. One by one, the rear vents will come out. Push it firmly back in the holes as shown in the video to fix it back to the helmet. Sun visor replacement. To replace the sun visor, open the visor fully first, slide the sun visor opening lever. Now, gently push the sun visor on one side with your thumb and pull it out. To put it back, place the sun visor back in position, and slide the sun visor lever to close. Cheek pads replacement. To replace the cheek pads, invert the helmet and keep on soft base. Then gently pull the cheek pad inwards, till you hear a click sound of buttons opening. Then pull cheek pad on the inner side, and take out from the helmet. To refit the cheek pads, align the 3 buttons, and press till you hear buttons clicking. Liner replacement. Unlock the locks of the bandella and the front of the helmet one by one. To unlock the bandella, gently pull the bandella down using the thumb and unlock. Then unbutton the 2 buttons on the back of the helmet. The liner will come out from its place. To put the liner in place, push to close the 2 buttons on the back of the helmet. Align the bandella. First gently push the bandella and it will snap in its place. Once this is done, spread the liner inside the helmet. Your liner is now ready to be used.
SMK Helmets.